For me, good terms of reference pose quite specific issues to be addressed in a very clear way and a very concise way. The terms of reference should be not too long. There shouldn't be too many specific issues or specific questions asked. But they help to focus the inquiry and to orient the inquiry commissioners and the staff to the particular issues that they have to consider. It makes the evidence gathering easier because you know that you're going to have to form conclusions and make recommendations on this particular issue. What evidence do we need to be able to do that? So it can become a background document that provides focus. A roadmap is perhaps the best way to put it. A quite specific guide to how to go about conducting the inquiry.
It was basically an inquiry into accessible public transport for people with disabilities. Basically we looked at taxis, buses and trains. We stuck to land transport in the end. We did consider doing all kinds of transport because there have been certainly complaints, particularly about air transport, but in the end we decided not to do air transport or to do ferries, largely to keep it within kind of a manageable parameters.
Now, this manner of conducting an inquiry purely from the point of view of human rights angle has proved very useful. It should be very clear that we are not there to monitor the functioning of a government. We are also not there to have our own policies and programs. We are there to examine whether the various policies formulated by the government for the benefit of the people are being implemented properly. We are there to examine whether those policies are non-discriminatory, whether those policies are meant for the poor people, and whether those policies are really in tune with the human right which we call the right to food.